First things first, gotta have some fuel, right? Not going anywhere. Evil Energy, it's a company I use. Amazon.com is where you can find them. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so we got our hose here and we got our measurement that we're going to use. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to cut this. You see how this is all frayed out. You're going to take some electrical tape, you're going to wrap it real tight around the edge. What you want to do is maybe fold the little edge there. If you're blind like me, fold that edge so you can peel that up later. Now you'll take it, spray a little bit of WD on this, or lubricant. You'll cut it like that, take some snips. Now you unwrap it. Now you have a clean edge to start with. Take your fitting. What you're going to do, don't put it on this way. You're going to push in. You're going to spin the fitting backwards. You'll know because it'll get real tight, so you know you're at the bottom. See how that worked out? Now what you'll do is take a little lubricant. Now here's the key. So when you put this in here, you got to make sure that you get this lined up well. If not, you're going to cross thread it. And I suggest you put a little lubricant on this as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to spin it backwards. You're going to hear that click. Once you hear that click, then go forward. And that clicks, the thread's lining up. Once you get that lined up, it's going to go together with no issue. There you go, guys. Nice and clean, just like that.